Hello everyone, RuneSmith here. Today I'm doing a very quick demo of how to SPP, and this is Billy Basics Beginners how to SPP. I'm trying to help someone from Reddit who is struggling with getting the feel for SPP. So they're using a Master 141, I think that's what this is, and an FNG set. I don't have any covert instruments at the moment, so I've got these which are quite similar style handles. It's a short hook. This is from the Southward, and I've got this which I don't know where it came from, but again very similar what comes with a set. So with this, as you can see, these are wide open keyways, so you can get from the bottom to the top very easily. So I'm going to go straight in there, short end of these tensioners. I actually prefer these tensioners for top of the keyway than the pry bar style, because the feedback's much better, because you've got the rigid part. So since the metal's facing this way, it's more rigid, it's got less spring, you get better feedback. So normally for a beginner I would do the speed bump method. You can check an earlier video, but because I'm going with a short hook from a bottom angle, it is going to get stuck a lot more than it normally would. So I'm going to test each of the pins in turn. So you can start from the front or the back, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to start from the back and I'm going to give a little jiggle. Nothing. This one won't jiggle, so now I'm going to do pulsating pressure on it, a little bit at a time, until I get a nice little click. There we go. Then I'll move on to the next. Until I get a nice little click. Now I'm on the front pin. Nice little click. Back to the start. Nice little click. And we're open. So there is your Billy Basics SPP tutorial. What you're doing is you're pushing up on each pin with a little jiggle test. If it's stiff, you're going to pulsating pressure, so a little bit at a time. 1, 2. You're not going to try and over pressure it, or it will snap up and it will overset. You just want to do a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, until you get your nice little click. I hope this helps. Let me know if you'd like any more Billy Basics videos. Thanks for watching.